Hello students, this is the next lecture of Unit 3. Till now we have covered rules and status, norms, group influences. We have seen about the reference group opinion leaders. Now today we will be discussing about the family life cycle. Family is a major source of influence on consumer behavior of its member. It is also the prime market for most of the product and product categories. As most basic membership group, families are defined as two or more persons which are related to the blood, marriage, or adoption, who reside together and they are living together as a whole unit. So that is the family. We have seen about the types of families in the previous lecture. Now, family may play an important role in determining the consumer behavior. Now, how it can affect the consumption behavior. Firstly, the family has traditionally been the major source of values, taste, and attitude and aspiration. So, family is the basic unit that inculcate these types of values, tasted, and your preference will be developing toward the brand. Secondly, the family relationship influence the purchase of goods and services that are needed by the family as a whole. So, family forms the environment of an individual through which they acquire values, they develop, and they shape their personality. This environment offer that how they develop the attitude and opinion towards a particular brand, particular society, or politics. They it creates an impression or perception, you can say, regarding various situations. A family create first perception about the brand and the product and the consumer habits, because the family is using that product, and that might create some kind of positive or negative impression on on the basis of experience. For example, the consumers who have created brand perception when they were young can carry out the same brand selection in adulthood, even without recognizing that their family is the basic source of that for that particular selection. Now, different persons in a family may perform different kinds of roles while the purchase decision. Individual members of a families may perform as information gatherers, holders, and they can play various roles. Family decision making and the purchasing process is a very tedious and difficult task to perform, because it requires a lots of study, and family influences are an important factor for developing the market strategies, because the family is the basic source for influencing the consumption behavior, and it is the reason behind the forming the perceptions attitude towards the particular brand or product or product categories. So the decision maker has the powers to determine various kinds of issues, like whether to buy that particular product or not, which product to buy, which brand to buy, where to buy, and when to buy. So all these decisions that the person has to take regarding the purchasing decision, so it becomes very tedious task for the purchaser. Now, we have seen that different persons are performing different tasks while making the decision. So, the members of a family, the roles that they are playing are known as buying roles. So, the buying roles can be the initiator, influencer, decider, buyer, and user. This we have studied in the beginning lecture also. So, this is the same trend. Initiator means who is the one who is recognizing the need. Influencer is the one who is impacting your decision making, or whether to select that particular product. They are influencing and impacting your decision making. Now, decider is the one who have to decide whether to buy this particular product or that particular product. He has to finalize that product. Then buyer is the one who is paying for that product or making the purchase, and user is the one who is using the product finally. So these roles may be played by a single person, or it may be played by different members of a family. So as these roles can vary when we look at different product or service categories, and it also depends on what kind of buying situation you are in. So some products, the male member of the family will be acting as a decider, whereas in other cases the lady might be the decider. There are certain things which is considered to be uh, the part of females, and certain things which are considered to be males, although it is not, you can't say it is perfectly fitting to today's scenario, because nowadays the decision is taken jointly. So the different buying roles have been mentioned here, that is influencer, gatekeepers, deciders, buyers, prepares, users, and maintainers. So influencer, the family members who provides information regarding a particular product or service to other members of the family. So he is basically the one who is providing the information regarding the product that we have to purchase. Gatekeepers are the one who control the flow of information, who is controlling that this particular information should go regarding the brand, and this particular information should not reach the consumer. So they are the one, the gatekeepers, or they are doing the filtering work. Then deciders, the person who have the power to decide unilaterally, or by taking the consideration of views that have been given by others, whether to purchase, use, consume, or dispose of particular product or service. So he is the one who is taking the decision. Then buyers, who make actual purchase, who is paying for that particular product or service. Preparers, who transform the product in the form suitable for the consumptions by the other members of the family. So they are the one who is doing the preparatory work, so that that particular product can be ready for consumption purpose. Then coming to the maintenance part, that is the maintain users, one who is finally consuming the product or service. Then coming to the maintainers, the members of the family who services or repairs the product, so that the after sale service on that, the satisfaction should be remain for a longer time. Then the last one more role is also there, that is disposers. That is the family member who's initiating or carrying out the discontinuation, means they don't want to continue that product further. So this is very brief. I'm going to tell about these family roles in the by stages in decision making. So how the decision will be taken. So first one is family members play a variety role. We have seen in the previous two slides uh, how and how how and what are the different roles that have been played by the various members of the family. Now the first one is information gatherer. Then as the name is clear itself, that information gatherer. Gatherer means the person who is gathering the information. One or more members can play the same role that I have already told, or a single member can play the all the roles. So gatekeepers or the information gatherers influences the family processing of the information by controlling the level of and the type of stimuli that the family is exposed to. So they are doing a kind of filtering, uh, that which particular information should reach to consumers and which particular information should stop. So they are the gatekeepers. They establish an evaluation criteria in terms of cost, durability, etc. So second one is the influencer. Those determine that which best fills the family needs. So they are the ones who determine that these are the brand that is best suiting to the needs of the family, and they are impacting the decision making process. Then decision maker decide on the make or brand to be purchased. Now who's the one who's actually paying for the product or a service and giving the final approval regarding the purchase of the product. Now purchaser is the one who is carrying out the decision, and they are finally buying the product. Consumer, as I have already told, use the product, evaluates it, and gives the feedback regarding the product. Now, a reversal of buying rules. However, as the number of dual income families are increasing day by day, so what actually happening is they have a shorter period of time. They don't have much time to do all the household works. So the men are also sharing up the responsibilities. Men are no longer confined to their offices. They are taking the responsibility of household chores too. So as the time have changed, the family roles have undergone a lot of change. Most purchase decision are now jointly taken. Earlier, there are certain decisions which are exclusively taken by males and certain decisions which were exclusively taken by females, but now those trend have been in declining more. Now the joint decision making has come up, so marketeer should focus on these types of things also. And we have seen in many ads also which are depicting the joint decision making. For example, marketers do address this issue when they depict through their ads. So, man washing clothes with Ariel and man making Act 2 popcorn. So, generally, it is considered that washing clothes is belonging to the female category. But now it is not like this. The men are equally participating in the household chores. Similarly, with the like man is also making going to kitchen. Generally, kitchen is for females. The perception is like kitchen is for females. So and now the marketeers have evolved their ad making, and they have, instead of the female, they have projected men as the main lead in the active popcorn advertisement. So this shift in buying roles need to be well understood by the marketeers, and they have to project according to the demand of the society. So, as I have already told, that decision making is now has taken a joint uh, mode. So, they are decided by the husband and wife. As there can be two type, three, four types of decision making, which is husband dominated. Another one is wife dominated, and third is joint, and the last one is automatic, means you have to decide unilaterally without consent of any other members. So kind of influence in terms of nature and extent may depend on various things. That could be the product or the service that has been offered, the stage in the decision making processes, and the role structure of the family. Who is more dominating? Whether husband is dominated, wife is dominated, or it is automatic or joint decision makings. So the kind of influence also depend on these types of things. Now, the changing roles in the social system, the lifestyles, and the dual income families or household have impacted the decision making a lot. Now, we generally think that the older people are more involved into the decision making, but this is not the scenario. Now, children are also playing an important role in decision making. For example, certain kind of products like ice creams, clothes, and even cars, they are giving their views and their opinions. Now they are they are exposed to various kinds of advertisement, and they also know about the various features of cars and other tech features with tech products. They are very tech savvy. They know about each and every gadget, so they are also playing an important role in decision making. Certain products which are not even used by the children, they are making uh, decisions, and they are giving very important review regarding that particular product. So children who are little older, means who are generally in their 10th and matriculation and in plus two, they are giving they are able to recall the ads and the brands, what kind of features they projected. So they are playing an important role in decision making, and they are helping their parents by recalling those ads at the time of purchase. In the similar way, teenager and college going children also forms a profitable segment for marketeers because they are easily influenced by the friends, family, peers, and the members groups. So they are also an important part of for marketers for designing the marketing strategy. Actually, the teenagers have the money in their hand which they provide them as with their parents provide them as pocket money, so they are very much uh, in a mood to spend that money, and they are fashion conscious, they are trendsetters, they want to wear the most trendy dresses, and they want to impress their friends, so that also impact the decision making in a major way. And so we cannot ignore children, teenagers, and the college goers while making the decision making or while designing the strategy from the marketeer's perspective. So this is a huge market. So this is all for today's lecture. Thank you.